In this video, I will show you how to fix unable to verify age on Character AI. So first of all, ensure that you're connected to proper internet connection that's working properly. Secondly, press and hold on to Character AI app. Click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here, click on Clear Cache. Once you've done that, simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Character AI. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then make sure that your app is fully up to date. Fix your camera and your lighting. And after that, try doing the age verification again. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is you can simply open up Chrome or any web browser. Then search for Character AI. From here, sign in and then go to the age verification page again and then try to verify it. And it should work. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.